the storm. But expect that number to continue to go up as recovery efforts are underway. That's according to officials. The recovery efforts across several states impacted by the storm's destruction. And you can see in this video that it shows the unbelievable power and force of that Category 4 hurricane as it devastated Mexico Beach, making landfall as that major hurricane on Wednesday. The catastrophic storm blew right through a lot of trees there and knocked them to the ground. Also knocked down.
Today is October 14th, 2018, Sunday morning, 6:35 a.m. I am Jake, Locksmith Services, Jacksonville, Florida. I am always praying for the people in the way of these storms. So much evil in this world, so much evil. We all need to come together and pray.
It's very difficult to see that we don't have anything. We hardly exist.
This has been, I don't even know if I had the words to describe it. It's been the worst nightmare I've ever been through in my life. Around 4,500 members of Florida's National Guard have been called up to assist with cleanup and recovery efforts. President Trump says he plans to visit Florida and Georgia to see the damage for himself in the coming days. And as someone who has been through Hurricane Andrew, a lot of people will probably either move out of that area.
I have been through many hurricane bad weather. I'm from New Orleans. I am from New Orleans. I know about it. We got to help each other. We got to quit being stupid toward each other. We all are one people, one God, who created all of us.
That's this Tuesday, October 16th, from 7 a.m. until 2 p.m. We will be collecting bottled water, diapers, baby formula, and
October 14, 2018, 6:40 a.m. Sunday morning, Jake, Locksmith Services, Jacksonville, Florida.
Waking up winners after being down with less than 7 minutes left in the game. A lot of fans out there happy about this one. And the Georgia Bulldogs are looking to redeem themselves after getting pounded by LSU. Sorry, Georgia Bulldog fans. Action Sports Jax Dan Higgins shows us the highlights from Saturday's